Our Stand Up India scheme beneficiary, Mrs. Sridevi, is a Rajahmundry-based entrepreneur. Greenleaf Solutions is not an ideology, not just a company giving health and value for money for its users and giving solutions naturally. Greenleaf manufactures herbal extracts given in a value-added form according to the customer's requirement in bulk and in finished product. She is a blend of academician, farmer, and entrepreneur. She is pioneer in all these fields who dared to experiment in every field she entered and is a visionary. She is the first woman academician to start IIT Foundation course in her district when nobody knew its importance and became instrumental in making many students' dream come true in pursuing IITs and IIMs. She is the first lady farmer to choose a commercial crop, venturing into aromatic crop segment, and her vision with the help of late ex-PM Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu included aromatic crops in loan segment in nationalized banks with the government subsidies. Her efforts came as a boon to many farmers and went on to win the Best Woman Entrepreneur Participation Award in 2003. She is first woman entrepreneur to indulge in a lot of to mention a few. Became first in the country to develop aloe vera oil, which was approved by a leading personal care product company for babies. She was selected for prestigious one-year Walmart Women Entrepreneurship Development Program in the year 2016 from AP State as one among 32 participants from all over India. As she shares her experiences with the program, the Walmart Women Entrepreneurship Development Program has boosted my confidence and made me feel special about being a woman entrepreneur. It has also equipped me with knowledge that was not within my reach. Enormous mental strength and die-hard positive attitude are her natural traits. With this awe-inspiring intro, I invite Mrs. Sridevi to talk about her entrepreneurial journey with respect to Stand Up India scheme. Sridevi Garu, and before that, we'll be playing her intro video. Sridevi Garu, over to you.
Naman, please unmute Sridevi ji. Naman.
She can unmute herself, ma'am.
Sridevi ji, please unmute yourself.
Sridevi Garu,
am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes. Thank you, Bharati Garu. And good afternoon, everyone who is a part of this program. My name is Sridevi, founder of Greenleaf Solutions from Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. And my firm is into manufacturing of herbal extracts in finished form and in a value-added form as per the requirements of the customers. So I am a Stand Up India loan beneficiary from my region in the year 2018, November. So before availing this loan, my journey started 3 years prior, that is in the year 2014. So I have started this firm along with my daughter in the year 2014 with urban land as collateral given as collateral security to the bank. Later, I sold it out in the year 2016 for a good price, and in place of landed property, I have offered 45 lakhs as collateral to the bank, which was generated by selling the property. In the same year, that is in 2016, I was selected for Walmart one-year Women Entrepreneur Development Program as one among the 32 participants from all over the country. During workshops conducted by Walmart, we were equipped with knowledge about the schemes like Mudra, Stand Up, Startup, and several other loan schemes, which are not known to us till then. So later I have approached our bank for availing Stand Up loan, but the banker is not ready to offer the loan and rejected, saying that it can't be given to existing firm with collateral security offered. But with the help of Sri Anurag Mittal sir, who is one of the speakers in Walmart workshops, had become my mentor and shared links connected to the scheme. I started educated my banker on how this loan can be availed by existing firms, which is less than 5 years old, which can be covered under CGTMSE scheme, and it became my responsibility to make him understand and to get the loan in the year 2018 after a long fight for 8 months with a lot of patience and perseverance. Seeing my commitment towards business, he has converted the existing collateral loan into a non-collateral, guarantor-free stand-up loan with 35 lakhs of working capital and 9.5 lakhs of term loan in the year November 2018. So I have promised him when I took the loan that I will make the firm debt-free within 2 to 3 years of time, and exactly in November 2020, I made it totally debt-free. So participants, it is our responsibility to build trust with the banker and get the things done for us and do business with a lot of commitment and financial discipline. Most of the time entrepreneurs fail because of impatience, lack of discipline, quitting in the middle, working capital mismanagement, and many other factors. So the present scheme is a boon to all women entrepreneurs, and I request everyone to utilize the benefits. So a women entrepreneur should always act like a one-man army. So this is my suggestion to all the women over there. So thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.